Good morning, welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this video presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in Mcx crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart which you are seeing is Goodwill Commodities starting tool. Whenever I place the cursor on any candlestick, you can see the date and time below. This long ash color candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened near 6,470. For our analysis, we always consider the LTP, which we see around 10 o'clock as the price opening, not this spike and gap as the price opening. So what we expected yesterday was, we made it very clear, if the price is trading above 6,420, we expected that crude oil has got the potential to regain its buying strength, and our prime focus was also on the major support zone of 6,360, because in the last few days we are seeing that price was taking a bounce back from 6,360. Now let us see what happened after the price opening. Right after the price opening, our charting tool is also indicating the momentum can be on the buying, but there was a failure around 6,460. So the price came down to test 6,420, the base support zone, where the market picked some momentum to test the 6,460 again, but there was a failure. So the price came down. Now it was a failure around 6,420. The support was broken, so that the price will be coming and testing 6,360 again. So what happened? The price came down to test 6,360, and our charting tool did a good job in quickly identifying the price direction. But as we know that 6,360 is also a major support, the price, as usual, like what happened on the previous day, the price picked the momentum from that point. It is just looks like a repetition of what happened on the previous day, that was on 24th of June. Once the price reaches here, the price went up, and our charting tool again giving that is the momentum is shifting towards the buying side, so the price could break 6,420, and it put a price closing near 6,428. So this was the entire price action what we witnessed in yesterday's market. In the first half of the session till this zone, the market was in line with the momentum, because the price was taking a good support. It came down to test the support, but it lacked some momentum to break 6,460 again. In the second part, you can see our charting tool identifying exactly the price momentum is downside, and it was a great swing in crude oil market. You can see that it is a 100-point swing within the day. So our charting tool is doing a good job in always keeping us in the right direction, even in this consolidation phase. So what we can do today, how we can position ourselves for today. Today the expected price opening can be near 6,420 again. So it is again going to be a tough time for crude oil traders. Now let us go back and see why the price is behaving like this. There should be some reason behind it, because for the long time the price was taking a support around 6,360, and it could not clear this zone. Now let us go back and find the reason behind that. The chart which you are seeing is an 1 hour chart. That means all the single candlestick here represents 1 hour. When I will place the cursor on any candlestick, you can see the date and time below. So this is the moving average which we are following for 1 hour chart. If you see that the price was trading entirely above this average, so whenever the price is coming to test this average, which is around 6,360, the price was taking a good support to give a bounce back. If you see in this particular contract, the price picked the momentum from 6,100. That happened on June 9th. So it is a type of consolidation phase what we are seeing. So the price is struggling to find the direction. You can notice that on June 70 the price came here and picked some momentum around 6,360 on June 19th and June 24th, and now it happened yesterday also. So it is this is the reason why the price is really struggling to find a direction. This is quite common after seeing a very big bull run. You could see it is a 300 points gain from here. So it is very normal for any market, any commodity to do this. That is the reason we are focusing on this two zone of 6,420 rather than pointing out to 6,360. Again, we are saying this is going to be a profitable zone. So what we can do today, again we are going to depend on this particular zone of 6,420 and our charting tool. If you notice that exactly our charting tool is picking the right spot, having 6,420 as a prime focus, because it can provide huge profit. So our strategy still remains the same. So price will be opening around 6,420. If the price is coming down, our charting tool, like what it did on the yesterday's market, it will show you the sell signal to keep in the right direction, because when the price breaks 6,360, you will be earlier in picking the trend. and if there is a breakout, it can keep you live throughout the trading session. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. We don't deny the fact it is quite a difficult zone, because whenever the price is consolidating, it looks like it, but our charting tool can do its best to keep in the right direction. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.